this is an overview of all the different components of the cart. We have some hardware here. I'll go over that first. We've got some hinges. These are door hinges, and they will go on these doors. We'll cover the doors a little bit later. We've got the cam locks, some screws, a hammer, mallet, rubber mallet, a Phillips screwdriver, a Phillips bit, and a square bit. And we'll provide the numbers on that. And that's our hardware. So for the parts, we're gonna have our bottom and top. It's gonna be labeled. You'll find a label on that. We're gonna have our sides, and you'll see the name here. It'll say unfinished right end. So these are ends actually. Then we have our doors, and you'll notice these are doors because you'll see obviously the name on there, and then some hinge board holes.
Where are these going to?
Then we're gonna have our backs, and they're called half backs. We have our shelves that slide out, our foldable house top, and our stretcher for the house top. Then we have our stretcher for our assembly, and we'll go over that with the assembly. And finally, our adjustable shelf, and this will sit on the inside of the cart.
So you should get a box. You should get quite a few boxes actually. So our first suggestion is just to lay out all of your pieces just like this.